Okay, ayun na. So, wala akong bicep ha.
Alam mo
So,
ka,
ayun na guys.
pwede
Ay, okay.
naman.
Simulan na natin yung story mo, Madam Zane. No?
Ayan. So, ready na po ba ang lahat na marinig ang last supper? Last part po ng The Riverbanks Love Story. So, sa mga hindi po naka-watch or naka-nose ng so stay tuned na lang po, no? Wow, stay tuned. So, this is my speech for the last. So, um, Paano ko ba i-start? So, this is my first, ulitin ko lang ulit yung sinabi ko nung mga na previous episode ng ating The Riverbanks Love Story, diba? So, this is my first time sharing this kind of my story in this platform. And I want it to be memorable for all of us. And I want you all guys to just pay attention kasi, 'di ba, pinagandaan ko talaga 'to. And I want this to be the best podcast na maririnig nyo and masasaksihan ninyo. I've shared an handout for this podcast so may PDF akong ginawa which is isesend ko pa lang. Nakalimutan ko na naman. Wait lang.
Para sa mga hindi pa kasali sa DC namin, no? Yung story kasi ni Zane ay meron siyang ginawang PowerPoint. Talagang pinagandaan na kayo. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano niya isushow yung PowerPoint dito. Di ba? Na para bang, meron ba? Madam?
'Di ba? Puwede niyo naman basahin na lang later 'no, pagtapos ng podcast natin. So, sa mga naka-join diyan, puwedeng-puwede na po nila mabasa dahil na-post ko na po sa mga oras na 'to at ayun. So, na-share ko na naman na sa GC. So, hindi lang po siya babasahin. Talagang may proof of purchase po talaga siya doon like picture namin together and moreover, 'di ba? So, a daily reminder lang po kasi nga may mga proofs. So, sana atin-atin na lang yun, guys. Baka kasi chat niyo yung mga kasama doon, di ba? So, sorry, lalong-lalo na yung ex ko. So, wag naman. The center of the story, no? So, you can all guys just listen and write all your question dahil nga end of the story na. So, kung may questions po kayo about sa mga or hindi nyo maanong mga question dahil nga patapos na tong story natin. This is the last part. So, i-ready nyo lang yung mga questions nyo pag natapos na natin itong last part of my story. Sasagutin natin yan. 'Di ba? So, The Riverbanks Love Story po has a total of episode 4, part 4. So, I put a lot of effort to this storytelling, guys, and I will also post this on YT. So, I hope na magstay kayo hanggang dulo at sumubaybay. And I also hope na you all like it. So, without further ado, let's start to read it. As the day goes by, nagsabi ako ng plan ko sa kanya na gusto ko mag-date kami before ng birthday, just like he did to me. But this time sa lugar niya malapit. If familiar kayo sa Festival Mall sa Alabang, gusto ko kasi matry yung roller coaster doon. We also plan pa na sabay naming papanoorin yung Inside Out 2. He agree and want na isama yung BFF ko but nagda-doubt siya na baka wala daw siyang pera. So I said na ako yung manlilibre. So the plan is sealed. So nag-prepare ako ng mga susuotin ko then moreover. Nung medyo malapit na yung araw na yon, ay bigla siyang nag-back out at i-cancel na lang daw. Aaminin ko, nasaktan ako ng araw na yon. And the question comes on my mind, Na did I do was too much? Did I cross the line? Was it too much to ask? Kaya naman, ito ang song para sa first part na ito.
You say I don't understand, and I say I know you don't. We thought a cure would come through in time, now I fear it won't. Remember looking at this room, we loved it 'cause of the light. Now I just sit in the dark and wonder if it's time. Do I throw out everything we built or keep it? I'm getting tired even for a phoenix, always rising from the ashes, mending all her gashes. You might just have dealt the final blow. Stop, you're losing me. Stop, you're losing me. Stop, you're losing me. I can't find a pulse, my heart won't start anymore. For you, 'cause you're losing me. Every morning I glared at you with storms in my eyes. How can you say that you love someone you can't tell is dying? I sent you signals and bit my nails down to the quick. My face was gray, but you wouldn't admit that we were sick. And the air is thick with loss and indecision. I know my pain is such an imposition. Now you're running down the hallway, and you know what they all say. You don't know what you got until it's gone. Stop, you're losing me. Stop, you're losing me. Stop, you're losing me. I can't find a pulse, my heart won't start anymore. For you, 'cause you're losing me. 'Cause you're losing me. Stop, 'cause you're losing me. My heart won't start cause you're losing me. My heart won't start cause you're losing me. How long could we be a sad song till we were too far gone to bring back to life? I gave you all my best piece, my endless empathy, and all I did was bleed as I tried to be the bravest soldier, fighting in only your army. Front lines, don't you ignore me. I'm the best thing at this party. And I wouldn't marry me either, a pathological people pleaser who only wanted you to see her. And I'm fading, thinking, do something, babe, say something. Lose something, babe, risk something. Choose something, babe, I got nothing to believe unless you're choosing me. You're losing me. Stop, stop, stop. You're losing me. Stop, stop, stop. You're losing me. I can't find a pulse, my heart won't start anymore.
Thank you so much. Wow, thank you so much. So, to the next part of the story. Nakakatampo yung ginawa niya kaya naman hindi ako nagparamdam sa kanya at ganun din siya. Lumipas ang mga araw bago ako mag-birthday ay hiningi ni BFF yung mga pictures ko para mag-ready sa birthday surprise niya sa akin. Hanggang sa dumating yung araw na birthday ko. Nag-expect ako at nag-imagine na naman na ang ate nyo na baka di siya magpaparamdam kay Nesu is baka iso-surprise niya ako. Pagpasok ko sa school ay lahat ng may kilala sa akin ay bumati. Agad naman akong nagpasalamat sa kanilang lahat. So sa mga hindi po nakakasi ng PDF na ginawa ko po is i-explain ko na lang po sa inyo yung picture. So there is a picture here na nilagay po nung BFF ko yung birthday ko sa calendar niya, sa device niya. So pinicturean niya yon and then sinend sa GC namin. So my BFF sent this nga sa GC namin and nakaka-touch kasi she really put a reminder. Talagang nilagay niya ako sa calendar niya and also my birthday greetings siya sa my day niya. So the reason behind of bakit kinuha ni BFF yung pictures ko is alam nyo yung ginawang missing picture yung picture ko tapos ginawan niyang printed at pinagdidikit sa mga poste kineso nang nakalagay na happy birthday. And natawa ko na lang sa ginawa niya but I appreciate that. So, sa next part or sa next picture is this is my nanay-nanayan. So, nakikita doon. Kaya, she is so kind sa aming lahat. Kaya, she also special to me. And nilibre niya ako ng coffee sa shop na to para sa birthday gift niya sa akin. Next pick naman is pumunta kami sa store na to para tumingin and hindi ko in-expect na ililibre ako ni BFF and pa-birthday gift niya daw sa akin. Kaya naman, eto na ang ating next song for this part.
I carved my name into your ribcage. We took the flames away from this cage. You said, don't fret, love, someday I'll be my own man. I'll be free. Oh, but darling,
is the song for that part of the story. Let's now continue the next part. Bago matapos yung araw ng birthday ko is nagpasya ako na pumunta ulit sa lugar na kung saan kami unang nagkita. Damang-dama ko pa din ang simoy ng hangin at ang nakaraan namin na pinanghahawakan ko sa mga oras na yon. Hindi ko lubos na mawari na sa isang iglap lang ay mawawala na ang lahat. In-expect ko pa naman na baka i-surprise niya ako ngayong araw. Hanggang sa too much expectations leads to disappointment. Ni kahit bati man lang ay wala akong natanggap mula sa kanya. So I posted more picture of that place, which is the riverbanks nga. And I posted on IG and with a note saying, on my 19th birthday, I went to the first place that we've met and had a bonding experience together. I didn't expect that this would be also the last. This day, you made me feel and realize that I am nothing to you. I miss you and I still love you, but all I can do is move forward without you. So the next page or the next part would be the picture of the place where dun kami exactly umupo and have so much time to talk. Kaya naman, at this part, this is the next song.
Mahirap bang ipilit ang lumaban pag hindi na kaya? Saan nakukuha ng lakas? Ibuhos man lahat-lahat, wala pa rin itong pag-asa. Kung mag-isa kang lalaban sa pagtakbo ng oras, unti-unting kumupas. Ang dating wagas ay magwawakas. Masisisi mo ba kung ayaw na talaga? Kung ang pag-ibig mo tuluyang maglaho, o ba't nagbago bigla? Mga titik ay nag-iba, ika'y lumalayo. Tadhana ba ito? Kapag damdamin ang nagsalita, wala ka nang makakawa, kundi sundin ito kahit ayaw.
And that's it, our song for that part. So let's now continue the story. Sa mga pagkakataong yon ay hindi ko na alam kung anong klaseng relasyon pa ang meron kami. Basta ang alam ko lang ay sadyang napagod na akong isalba yung relationship namin na parating ako lang ang gumagawa at parang pumapabor pa siya na mawala na ako sa buhay niya. Ang tanging hinihingi ko na lang sana ay ang explanation niya para makapag-move on and move forward na. Hinihintay kong gawin niya yon pero hindi niya talaga ginawa. To be honest, hindi ko maiwasang maisip na meron na siyang iba dahil sa mga kinikilos niya in the previous weeks or months. Nagpakahipokrita ako mga madam ko. Gumawa ako ng dump account sa IG dahil nga hindi na kami friends sa FB ay doon ko na lang siya sinisilayan. Day by day, nakasubaybay ako sa mga my day niya until that suspiciousness makes sense. So may mga proof po kasi here sa PDF and I will explain na lang din sa mga hindi po nakakasi ng picture po ng mga proof. So I will explain na lang. So there is 2 video of his thirst trap and may mga 'di ba po yung mga tawag doon, may mga nilalagay na caption kumbaga. So yung unang nilagay niya sa caption is hahalikan pero hindi I love you. And the next part is miss ko na yung katrabaho ko. The next part is he is with someone, I mean a girl, and naka-mirror shot sila dito sa isang photo booth. And may day siya here ng conversation din na ang sabi niya, so ayun, yung conversation nila is sinabi netong ex ko na kiss muna. Sabay nag-chat naman ng itong ka-chat niya ng alam niyo yung mwa-mwa, ayun. Tapos sabi niya SBM dapat para mas dama. So nag-BM itong ka-chat niya. So sabi naman syongit daw at siya naman daw. And sabi niya naman na itong ex ko is hindi naman syongit. So ayun, ang conversation na or ito yung mga proof na nakalap ko sa pang-i-stalk sa kanya. Those are the pictures and evidence na nagpa-trigger sa akin na para i-confront siya. The next part, the last conversation. So before we proceed on that, this is muna the sound for this part.
Chasing a heart is like chasing a ghost. You can't make somebody you love feel the same if they don't. It doesn't matter the words that you say, 'cause just like the seasons, you can't stop the way people change. I drive through the night, walk 1,000 miles to feel your head on my chest. I give anything, that's what's killing me, 'cause you won't even reach across the bed. The silence is getting too cold, we stop fighting, 'cause deep down inside we both know, just for once, what do you want? Baby, tell me the truth. Do you only love me 'cause you have to? All of your friends now, we're all of mine first. past. Your mom and your dad, they were both there for me when mine weren't. I can't see tomorrow without you today, but I'd rather let you go than make you feel like you gotta stay. I drive through the night, walk 1,000 miles to feel your head on my chest. I give anything, that's what's killing me, 'cause you won't even reach across the bed. The silence is getting too cold, we stop fighting, 'cause deep down inside we both know, just for once, what do you want? Baby, tell me the truth. Do you only love me 'cause you have to? So come on, don't be afraid to break my heart. It only gets worse if you wait. So just for once, what do you want? Baby, tell me the truth. Do you only love me 'cause you have to? So sorry, I wish I could be the one to love you more. I hope you find somebody who's got everything you're searching Silence is getting too cold, we stop fighting, 'cause deep down inside we both know, just for once, what do you want? Baby, tell me the truth. Do you only love me 'cause you have to?
Ayan, hello. Ayan. So, let's now proceed to the last conversation. So, to be performed by Madam Rin and me. So, Madam Rin, let's start. Are you ready?
Yes, hello, hello, marinig ako.
Ayan, go. So, I chat on him and I said na, I feel like you've abandoned me na.
Zane, sabi ko sa iyo, need natin ng space, please. Di lang buhay ko. Naisip ko ngayon, pati kapatid ko, kaya please not now.
Alam ko, pero bakit nga? I just want to know the reason. Ano ba kasing nangyayari?
Marami.
Sabihin mo kasi sa akin. Tamo, ayaw mo man lang sabihin. Kaya I feel na inabandona mo ko. Tamo, you want a space pero I don't know kung anong reason. Then after that is wala siyang chinat and nag-long message na lang ako sa kanya. Now I know. Malinaw na sa akin lahat. Akala ko ba di mo kayang mag-cheat sa akin. Magaling pala sa salita, pero sa gawa, hindi mo pala ma-apply. May problema ka nga talaga pala sa sarili mo, no? Paano mo nasisikmura na ini-enjoy yung presence ng iba habang ako iniwan mong walang dahilan at nagsasuffer mag-isa? Kung ayaw mo naman na talaga o meron ka ng iba, just tell me. I know the risk of our relationship just like what I said. Handa ako sa mga possibilities na yon. I just want you to be honest with me. Mahirap bang gawin yon? Yun lang naman yung hinihingi ko sa'yo para maklaro lang sa akin at alam ko kung saan ako lulugar. Hindi yung magrarason ka pa na para akong tanging naghihintay sa'yo at umaasa habang ikaw masaya na pala sa iba. Kaya kaya pala nagagawa mo kong i-block and i-cut yung communications natin kasi gusto mo na mawala ako sa buhay mo, tama? Gumawa ka ng mga bagay na ikakasakit ko para lumayo ang loob ko sa'yo, tama? Ba't kasi di mo na lang sabihin yung totoo? At the end of the day naman, alam mo yung consequences ng actions mo. You know na masasaktan ako, but you still doing it. At pinapatungan mo pa ng kung anong-anong kasinungalingan. Mas lalo ang masakit yon. Akala ko ibang tao dapat ang di ko pagkatiwalaan. Ikaw pala dapat. Alam ko naman na possible na one day na di na ako, maybe magkagusto ka sa iba na mas convenient cause I know na magbabago yung nararamdaman mo kasi nga LDR tayo. May ibang tao dyan na possible na magkagusto ka or whatever the reason is. And I'm ready for that cause alam ko na mabilis lang naman talaga ako palitan. Ayoko lang nung nagsisinungaling ka sa akin cause ayokong mas lumala pa yung trust issue ko, pero you make it worse. Don't worry about me kung paano mo ako kalimutan at kung paano mo na lang itapon yung pinagsamahan natin, ay ganun din ako. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo yung gusto kong sabihin for the last time.
Pinagsasabi mo, Zayn, hindi ako nag-cheat honestly. Na-fell out of love ako. Ayoko na sino man nagsabi na meron ako eh. Naging patapon na nga buhay ko ngayon. Alam mo kung bakit nilayo ko sa yung sarili ko? Kasi di mo deserve. Post ko? Wala yun lahat. Ha 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 ha. Notes ko? Wala din yun. Sadyang patapon na ako ngayon. Di ko ma-imagine na nasama kita sa buhay kong ganun. Na-pressure ako sa lahat. Paniwalaan mo kung ano gusto mong paniwalaan pero yan lang masabi ko sa side ko.
See? Bakit di mo na lang sabihin na ayaw mo na? You just left me without even saying kung bakit. Ano bang nangyayari na di ko alam? Ano sa tingin mong iisipin ko?
Paano ko sabihin sa'yo kung sarili ko di ko maintindihan?
So pag hindi mo naiintindihan ang sarili mo, iiwan mo na lang ako basta?
Bakit? Naiintindihan mo ba ako?
Iniintindi kita sa abot ng makakaya ko ah. So at this part, this is our song.
Suspended in the air, I hear myself breathing. Hanging by a thread, my heart is barely beating. I haven't fallen yet, but I feel it coming. Tell me, would it be too much to ask if you break it to me gently that I'm waking the next day without you beside me? And who I hold on to today, tomorrow will just be a memory. And that I will look back at all of this and wonder why I've stayed in here just to watch you disappear. So I breathe and let you go. How do I breathe and let you go before it's too late? I'll take a step away. I know one word won't make me go rushing back to you. So I'll just shut my eyes, forget that you were mine. How do you go from making one back to where you were. I'll just shut my eyes, forget that you were mine. How do you go from making one your home and then just letting it all go? Let me take it in before it sinks in.
And hello, ayun, reading na. So let's now continue to the last sentence of the story. And that's how it ended between the two of us. No response, no explanation, no closure, and lastly, I'm the last chat. I'm looking for clarification, but instead, he just left me hanging on the wall without even saying a proper goodbye, na para bang wala kaming pinagsamahan. I just do the same like he was, but I can't hide the pain inside. Day by day came, I'm still trying to learn how to live without him, facing the world without him, and stand up again on my own. I did everything I can just to forget him, but my mistakes of doing it is just I distracting myself, so not totally healing myself. So pag natapos na yung mga gala or something na made me forget him, ay pag ako na lang mag-isa ulit, ay bumabalik lang ulit yung sakit. It is really hard to heal yourself because of the struggle of my life and financial problem, because I can't even treat myself. I just realized na I can't really unlove someone. It's just nasanay lang ako na wala na siya sa buhay ko. So because of that, ito na ang ating last song para sa part na to.
Saturday sunset, we're lying on my bed with 5 hours to go. Fingers entwined, and so were our minds crying, I don't want you to go. You wiped away tears, but not fears, under the still and clear indigo. You said, baby, don't cry, we'll be fine. You're the one thing I swear I can't outgrow. My mother said the younger me was a pretending prodigy. Well, nothing that much has changed. 'Cause while you're wolfing down liquor, my soul, it gets sicker. But I'm sticking to the screenplay. Gotta say I'm okay, but answer this, babe. How is it now that somehow you're a stranger? You were mine just yesterday. I pray the block in my airway dissipates and instead deters your airplane's way. But heaven denied, destiny decried, something beautiful died too soon. But I'm letting go, I'm giving up that ghost. But don't get me wrong, I'll always love you, that's why I wrote you not tonight. Plunging into all kinds of diversions like lush wine and senor soirees. But even with gin and surging adrenaline, I see you're all that can intoxicate. Oceans and engines, you're skilled at infringing on great love affairs. 'Cause now my heart's home, all I've known is long gone and 10,000 miles away. And I'm not okay, but I'm letting go. I'm giving up the ghost, but don't get me wrong, I'll always love you, that's why I wrote you this very last song. I guess this is where we say goodbye. I know I'll be alright, but just not tonight. Was the first time I stared into seas of beguiling sepia 2 years ago. And the first time I learned real world superpowers, living 3 words, they revitalized my frame bones. Now what do you do when your pillar crumbled down and lost on solid ground, with dreams and demons drowned, and this was all you found? That's lighted. I have so many questions, but I'm pouring them into the ocean, starting up my engine, and I'm letting go. I'm giving up your ghost. It's come to a close. I marked the end with this last song I wrote. I'm letting go. This is the last falsetto I'll ever sing to you, my great lost love.
Hello.
And this and that is how the Riverbanks love story ends. So, it still has a few information sa season 3 of my story. Ayan, so, ayun. Diyan na po nagtatapos ang The Riverbanks love story. So, I hope na nasubaybayan nyo mula part 1 hanggang dito sa finale. So, ayan. So, thank you so much po pala no, sa mga nag-portrait kahit wala po sila dito. Si Madam Aiki Rosan, si Madam Seb, and
Oo nga
also
'no, ang
Madam
huli
Marin.
natin.
Oo, and also Madam
Pero nung
Marin.
last hindi rin ako naka-attend.
Ay,
I mean, na-late
sayang.
ako tapos hindi rin ako nakaabot.
Ayan. So, pwede po nyo naman pa mapanood sa YT. Ayan. Sa YT channel, Madam Blue Matcha. So, na-post ko naman na sa DZ natin yung link. And the PDF po pala is I will post the whole or the full story, yung wala ng part-part. And I also, i-share ko rin yung link sa inyo nung, sa Spotify, yung sound, yung full track niya. Wow, full track. So, if gusto nyo po siyang i-read ulit, diba? Wow. Kung gusto nyo lang no, hindi ko kayo pinipilit,
Abo.
diba? Pero diba, kung gusto nyo lang umiyak, nandito lang tong story na to, diba? Ayan, so, ayun, thank you so much ulit, Madam Rin, Madam Aiki Rosan, Madam Seb, and also sa ating DJ Mod, wala rin siya tonight. So, thank you so much po. So, sa mga sumubaybay, maraming salamat. At sa mga nakasama ko here, Madam Chicana, Madam Blue Matcha, ayan. Eto si Madam Nuggets, ngayon lang siya nag-join. So I think hindi siya familiar sa mga unang kaganapan. Kaya ayun, pero thank you pa rin dahil nandito siya. And ayan, so sa pagbabalik po ng Gabi ng Bading, wow, sa pagbabalik is sa question and answer portion naman po tayo. And initial our thoughts or full review po sa ating story nga po na ito. So ayan, sa pagbabalik yan ng Gabi ng Bading. Ay,